Hello folks, this is Sharon Narrain coming to you here from the beautiful, beautiful Sunshine State, as always, in Florida. And I want to talk to you today about simplicity. Yes, you know folks, being an online entrepreneur, it can get somewhat confusing, right? But I just want to define and tell you about what to look for in a business. Okay, what you need to look for in a business is simplicity. A business model that you can be able to understand. Okay, because I see in my many years of being online, I have seen so many business that it is so complicated for, especially the newbies to follow. All right, so what I will do is that I will put all the links of the simplest business model for you to understand. Okay folks, because I did my research, and these businesses then that I am in, okay, it is very simple, because for me, I do not like complexity. I do not like chaos, and you don't understand. I had a really rough time, so that's why I do my research. And what I want to talk to you about is that how to find, what simplicity is all about. First of all, let me just define what is simplicity. Give me one moment here if I can find it. Okay, for me, simplicity, right, it refers to the quality or state of being simple. Okay, that's what it is. And to me personally, like as I said, I find that simple things are very easy to understand and comprehend for me. And I am trying to walk people's shoe, because I know what I went through in my online experience. Very, very confused, and I just leave it alone, and I went to another one. Lo and behold, pretty much are the same thing. So I had the opportunity to be in so many multiple streams of income, and I narrowed it down. I narrowed down the search. So folks, the homework has been done. Feel free, okay? I'm going to add all the links of everything that I have that I find very simple, and I hope that it will be simple for you too as well, because these business opportunities, they all generate income for me. All of them also have training. They also have the support. You have me as your sponsor. I'm very transparent. You can call me, text me is the best way to get me real quick. 352-805-9846. Okay folks, again, like I said, simplicity, that's what I'm looking for, and that's what I want to share. The business opportunity that's very simple. For me, simplicity as in writing and spoken language is always considered to be key essentials in understanding any project, any business opportunity. Flamboyant language which employs usage of heavy and difficult words is quite confusing to understand, to comprehend for me, like in layman's terms. I find that very intriguing, so I don't want that upon you. So that's the reason why I am getting all these links is going to be in my video. Okay, so check it out, call me up, reach out to me. I'm going to put my Facebook, you can reach me there as well. If you're not in my Facebook friends list, definitely I always max out. I have to delete some more to make room for others who are interacting, and that's what I'm looking for, people who are interacting, folks. Okay, now in my video I want you to make a comment, okay, about what simplicity means to you. and make a comment when you click on all the links and that I'm going to put there for my business opportunity. Let me know if there's something you don't understand. Okay, because to me it is all laid out. I love these companies. I love these multiple streams of income because I find them, to me, it's very easy to navigate, very easy to understand, very easy to put together, and very easy to earn an income from home, whether be it online or offline. I have both online business and offline business. So that's what I need for you to make comments, and those are the people I'm looking for. If you do not join any of my business, that is perfectly fine, but to be in my Facebook list, okay, please don't blame me, because 5,000 friends, I mean, I maxed out so much, and I would like for you to interact. And one of the ways is that for you to comment in the comment section down below in this video. Just let me know. Let us all interact. Let me know what I can help you with. Let me know what simplicity means to you. Let me know if any of the business is hard, the links that I put in there. I would love that so much. And by the way, whilst you're doing that, if you are a new subscriber, okay, if you are someone who haven't seen any of my video yet, can you kindly subscribe to my channel, to my YouTube channel? And as well as if you could hit the bell, that will notify you whenever I'm doing a video, so you wouldn't be lost. Okay folks, I have a lot of tips and tricks about business opportunity, you know, motivating you, helping you, showing you, pointing you, especially for the newbies, because I was a newbie back in those days as well. Okay folks, so here is the deal. All you need to do, subscribe. All you need to do, hit the bell. And for those of you who are amateurs who are watching my video, who are professionals, who knows the ins and outs of internet marketing, of being online entrepreneurs, you name it, all I need for you to do is to hit the share button. Okay, just click on the share button and share it. I would greatly appreciate that, folks. Thank you so very much. And here you go. I'm going to put all the links of all the simple business that I find is simple for me, and I hope and pray it's simple for you. Okay, so again, my name is Sharon Noreen, and you could check them all out, as well as I'm ready, I'm willing and able to show you, teach you, and point you out how simple this is to make money online and offline. With a humble heart, Sharon Noreen. Peace out. Take care. Bye-bye for now.